Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add friends on Candy Crush Soda Saga application. Keep watching the video till the end. To add friends on Candy Crush, firstly go ahead and launch open your Candy Crush Soda Saga application. Click on accept to accept the terms and conditions of Candy Crush. From the map page, tap on profile icon at the top of the page. From the pop-top options, click on Friends. Tap on Add More Friends. You can see there are a lot of people shown on the page. Simply tap on plus icon to add friends, or else you can also invite your friends by tapping on Invite Friends as well. This is how you can add friends on Candy Crush Soda Saga application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.